So we're starting our owl crochet class this morning, but the hardest part isn't actually the crochet, we've decided. It's actually choosing what colour yarn you're going to be using. So we're going to have a purpley pinky owl, a bluey pinky sparkly owl, and a
boy owl.
Boy owl with a bit of sparkle.
Only in the middle.
Only in the middle. Look what happens when you turn your back just for 1 minute. A mother turns up and decides to gate crash your crochet class. I don't know. Claire's finished her little owl. A little hood hood. He's very cute. Okie dokie, so that's Friday finished. I am all done, everyone's gone home. I'm now going to go home and put the finishing touches to my packing before heading off on my hollybobs tomorrow. So it's all very exciting. So this could be all that you see for BTHQ Banter, who knows? It is all in the hands of you, my lovely customers and pupils. I have put a little request out on Facebook this morning asking anyone who comes along to classes in the next 2 weeks to get a little bit of snippet of video footage from their camera phones, or do a little hello, a little selfie, make a little video of whatever it is they've made, and email it over to me. And if I get enough bits and pieces together, I will add some here at the end of BTHQ Banter to explain what's happening the rest of this week. And then likewise, the following week is completely out of my hands because I'm not here at all. So we'll see what happens. I'm over and outing, but I could be back, who knows?
Okay, so we have BTHQ Banter this week. We have class bags, this is Saturday. And look at this awesome Tula fabric. I want some. Got a nice yellow and green one over here. We've got beautiful, I'm just going to pick that up. Look at that. Oh. Sweeties. We've got Paisley, Serena. Good morning, it is Tuesday at BTHQ and we have free motion embroidery this morning, so I've got 3 lovely students next door. You might be able to see them behind me. Working away and just practicing really at the moment, and then we're going to move on and start using actual drawn lines. Jackie's in the lounge. She's already caked up 1 bowl. Look at that. And what's that going to be, Jackie? And when are you going to cast it on?
Monday night.
What's on Monday night? Game of Thrones!
Because it's King of the North.
Look at all those colours though. Oh,
Back. So put 4 on a cable needle. Hold it to the back.
So that's the end of BTHQ Banter week 15. As you can see, I am here in lovely sunny paradise in Arizona. I had a fantastic day yesterday shopping with the lovely Lorianne, who flew in all the way from Oregon to meet me and take me to all the fabric shops. We also met up with Nikki, who is from the Sewing at Midnight channel, and we had a fantastic day. So next week you'll be able to see the video that we made, the vlog, and also the fabric haul. Thank you very much to Maddie and Carol and Viv and Jackie and everybody who sent me pictures and video clips last week of what's gone on at BTHQ. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's see what happens next week. But otherwise, it's over and out from me and Arizona. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye.